Hey everyone, welcome back! Today we're spilling the tea on some seriously hot facts about Canadian women. Get ready to be amazed, because these ladies are not just nice, they're a whole vibe. From rocking the fashion scene to conquering the great outdoors, Canadian women are truly the queens of the North. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and comment below on what topic you'd like to see next. Alright, let's talk fashion. Canadian women don't just follow trends, they set them. We're talking about legendary supermodels like Linda Evangelista, rocking those runways. And let's not forget about Coco Rocha, striking a pose and owning every inch of that camera. But it's not just the runway. Canadian women are killing it on social media too. Influencers are out here showing the world how to slay with style, from street-style chic to red carpet glam. They're not afraid to experiment, to be bold, to be uniquely them. And you know what? That's what makes them so damn cool. They're confident, they're creative, and they're not afraid to break the mold. They're showing the world that Canadian style is all about embracing your individuality and rocking it with confidence. The diversity in Canada just adds to the fashion frenzy. From Indigenous-inspired designs to styles from all corners of the globe, it's a melting pot of creativity. So, whether they're strutting down the streets of Toronto, Montreal, or Vancouver, Canadian women are turning heads with their impeccable style. Canada, you've officially won the fashion game. Hold up, did someone say girl power? Because Canadian women are the definition of strong and independent. We're talking about a country where women are crushing it in every single field. From business to science to tech, they're breaking glass ceilings and proving that they can hang with the best of the best. And let's talk about those entrepreneurs, shall we? Canadian women are starting their own businesses, chasing their dreams and building empires. They're not afraid to take risks, to hustle hard and to make their mark on the world. They're showing everyone that women can be CEOs, innovators, and game changers. They're not waiting for permission to succeed, they're going out there and making it happen. And that's what makes them so damn inspiring. From mentorship programs to women-led businesses, there's a real sense of community and empowerment. Canadian women are lifting each other up and celebrating each other's successes. Okay, let's talk about the stunning diversity of Canadian women. Canada is like a beautiful mosaic, with people from all over the world coming together and creating something truly special. And that diversity is reflected in the incredible range of beauty you see across the country. From coast to coast, you'll find women with different skin tones, hair textures, body types, and styles. It's a celebration of individuality and a reminder that beauty comes in all forms. Canadian women are embracing their heritage and rocking it with pride. You'll see traditional clothing and styles incorporated into modern looks, creating a fusion of culture and fashion that's absolutely stunning. It's not about fitting into one narrow definition of beauty, it's about celebrating what makes each woman unique and special. Alright, let's get real for a sec. Canadian women are not afraid to break a sweat, and I'm not just talking about hitting the gym, although they definitely do that too. We're talking about embracing the great outdoors and all the adventures it has to offer. Think about it. Canada is home to some of the most breathtaking landscapes in the world. From the Rocky Mountains to the coastal rainforests, there's no shortage of epic outdoor adventures to be had. And Canadian women are out there conquering it all. They're hiking through national parks, skiing down snowy slopes, kayaking through pristine lakes, and camping under the stars. They're not afraid to get their hands dirty, to push their limits, and to experience the thrill of the great outdoors. Canadian women are proof that you can be strong, adventurous, and totally in tune with nature. So, next time you're looking for some outdoor inspiration, look no further than the amazing women of Canada. Okay, let's talk about winter because let's be real, Canada does winter like a boss. But you know who else does winter like a boss? Canadian women. They've mastered the art of looking absolutely fire, even when it's freezing outside. Forget about sacrificing style for warmth, these ladies have got it figured out. We're talking about rocking those puffer jackets like they're couture, slaying in stylish boots that can handle any blizzard, and accessorizing with cozy scarves and hats that are both chic and functional. And don't even get me started on their skincare routines. Canadian women know how to keep their skin hydrated and glowing even when the wind is whipping and the snow is falling. Canadian women embrace winter with a sense of fun and adventure. They're down for ice skating, snowshoeing, building snowmen, you name it. Alright, let's get real for a minute. Canadian women are not just beautiful faces, they're also incredibly passionate about making the world a better place. From fighting for gender equality to advocating for environmental protection, Canadian women are on the front lines of social change. They're using their voices to speak up for what they believe in, to challenge the status quo, and to inspire others to take action. And they're not just talking the talk, they're walking the walk. They're volunteering their time, donating to causes they care about, and working tirelessly to make a difference in their communities and beyond. True beauty goes far beyond physical appearance. It's about having a kind heart, a compassionate soul, and a desire to make the world a better place. Okay, let's talk about wellness, baby. Canadian women are all about that holistic lifestyle, and they're always ahead of the curve when it comes to the latest wellness trends. We're talking about prioritizing self-care, nourishing their bodies with healthy foods, and finding balance in their lives. From yoga studios to meditation retreats, Canada is a haven for wellness enthusiasts. And Canadian women are embracing it all, exploring different practices, and finding what works best for them. They're all about listening to their bodies, honoring their mental health, and creating a lifestyle that supports their overall well-being. Canadian women are obsessed with taking care of their skin, and they're always on the lookout for the latest and greatest skincare products and routines. So, if you're looking for some wellness inspiration, look no further than the amazing women of Canada. Alright, let's talk about that undeniable Canadian charm. You know what I'm talking about, right? It's that perfect blend of politeness, kindness, and genuine warmth that just makes everyone instantly fall in love. Canadian women are known for their friendly and approachable personalities. They're the kind of people who will strike up a conversation with you in line at the coffee shop, offer you a helping hand if you drop your groceries, and always greet you with a smile. They're not afraid to be goofy, to laugh at themselves, and to make you feel comfortable and welcome. They're the queens of making you feel like you've known them forever, even if you just met 5 minutes ago. So, there you have it, folks. The Canadian charm is real, and it's one of the many reasons why we can't get enough of Canadian women. Hold on, because it's time to talk about Canadian women who are absolutely killing it on the world stage. We're talking about singers, actresses, artists, athletes, you name it. Canadian women are out there showcasing their talent, their creativity, and their undeniable star power. Let's start with the music scene, shall we? We've got legendary icons like Celine Dion belting out those power ballads that give us all the feels. And then there's Shania Twain, the queen of country pop, who taught us all how to let don't impress your man. And let's not forget about the incredible actresses who are gracing our screens. We're talking about Rachel McAdams, who stole our hearts in The Notebook and continues to amaze us with her versatility. And then there's Sandra Oh, breaking barriers and making history with her incredible talent. So, to all the Canadian women out there shining bright on the international stage, we salute you. You're making Canada proud, and you're showing the world what true talent and determination look like. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed these fun facts about Canadian women, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more amazing Canadian content. Until next time, keep exploring.